Take Linux from scratch, Gentoo, Slackware, and Alpine, for example. These aren't bad distributions at all. In fact, advanced users love them because they offer total control. But that control comes at a cost. They require a deep understanding of how Linux works under the hood. If you're brand new, you'll spend more time learning how to install the system than actually using it. Another distro that's often brought up is Arch Linux. Arch has a loyal fanbase and tons of documentation. But make no mistake, it's still not beginner-friendly. Installing Arch means starting from a bare-bones system and building it up piece by piece. If you're still learning basic commands, that can feel overwhelming very quickly. Even Debian and its sibling Devuan can be a little tough on newcomers. While Debian is incredibly stable and widely used on servers, it doesn't always focus on ease of use out of the box. Beginners might run into issues with drivers, software availability, or setup steps that more polished distros handle automatically. And then you have special-purpose distros like Kali Linux or Tails. These might sound exciting because of their names and unique features, Kali for penetration testing, Tails for anonymity, but they're built with very specific goals in mind. If you just want to browse, play games, or learn Linux basics, these are not where you should start.
By the way, if you write shell scripts, one mistake and your system is gone. But ShellDef scans shell scripts for errors and bugs and gives a fixed version of the code. Check it for free from the link below.